Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Piano Video Lessons. The 16 lessons of Unit 1 provide a foundation to get you learning to play piano while learning to read music from the very beginning. No experience necessary. In Lesson 1, I'll teach you how notes are written on the grand staff. I'll give you an overview of all the notes, but don't worry, you won't need to learn them all in this lesson. In Lesson 2, you'll zoom in on two landmark notes, middle C and treble G. These notes help us quickly get oriented on the staff, and you'll learn your first piece, Google Maps. In Lesson 3, you'll learn about rhythm and its notation. We'll cover whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes, and we'll cover some effective practice strategies so you can make the most of your practice time. In Lesson 4, you'll do your first finger gym. These finger gyms are intended to help you develop coordination. You'll be doing 4 finger gym lessons in each of the 6 units of Year 1. In Lesson 5, you'll learn 2 bass clef landmark notes, C and F. In Lesson 6, we'll branch out from the landmark notes, adding 2 new notes to your note reading range and play some music using these notes. You'll also get some practice writing and naming notes. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how notes move on the staff and learn some clues that make reading music easier. You'll also start to improve your playing technique. Lesson 8 is finger gym number 2. In Lesson 9, you'll expand your bass staff note range by 2 more notes and learn some music using those notes. In Lesson 10, you'll discover patterns that make sight reading easier. In Lesson 11, you'll get that left hand working while expanding your note reading range. Lesson 12 is finger gym number 3. In Lesson 13, you'll learn about bar lines, measures, time signatures, whole rests, double bar lines, and repeat signs. In Lesson 14, you'll assemble everything you've learned so far. In Lesson 15, you'll begin to develop your ear by listening for the directions of pitches. And in Lesson 16, you'll have finger gym number 4, getting you ready to work on Unit 2, which begins to explore playing hands together. You can follow all of these lessons at pianovideolessons.com Unit 1. If you're not there already, click the info card or find the link in the description of this video. Each unit is designed to take 4 to 6 weeks, depending on your experience level and practice commitment. There's no charge to watch the videos. All you need is a free user profile here at pianovideolessons.com. Serious students will benefit from purchasing the accompanying ebook for Unit 1. It's available as a single PDF or at a discount as part of the Year 1 complete ebook bundle.